Search Singapore Education Network domain on Google. Click the Login button on the top right of the page. Click Create an account for free. Fill your email address. Complete all the details needed, such as name, country or territory, organization, designation. You may choose your industry or sector. Once you have registered, you're officially an SEN member. Please log in using your registered account details or log in with Google, Facebook account. Welcome to your SEN account. Free members get 3 credits per year to submit events, jobs and reports. There's so many things you can do here, including submit jobs. Please fill out the form to submit your job vacancy. Don't forget to click Submit after submission. It will be processed within 2 working days. You may also submit your events. The form must be completed in full. Please prepare the event title, banner image, and all required details, including country, event format, start and end time, and other relevant information. You may also submit your organization profile to be featured in the directory. Please note that eligibility is limited to organizations that are registered in Singapore or have a permanent representative based in Singapore and demonstrate a strong interest and active involvement in educational initiatives. If you are looking for new opportunities in the education sector, you can also submit your CV here. This platform is designed to help educational organizations find the right candidates, while supporting candidates in discovering the best roles. You will need to complete all the required details, including submitting your CV. You can edit your published CV anytime to ensure it meets your standards and stays up to date. You can also check upcoming SEN events through your account and explore other features on the platform. If you have further questions, please contact our email or scan QR code below. Thanks for watching.